All right, everybody, welcome back. Ready to dive into the best states to launch your business dreams in 2025?
Let's do it.
Okay, so we're not just talking about sunshine and rainbows here.
Right.
We've got some serious data to dissect.
Yeah.
Smart Money AI just came out with their new rankings, and we are going to break it all down.
Awesome.
So whether you're actually about to take the plunge and start a business, or you just like to, daydream about being your own boss,
Love it.
we've got some fascinating insights coming your way.
I think there will be some surprises in here.
Oh, for sure. Okay, so right off the bat, Washington and Texas at the top.
To be expected.
No huge shock.
Yeah. Those are business powerhouses.
Business behemoths.
For sure.
But Maine.
Mate.
Maine in the top 3.
Interesting.
That's got me intrigued.
Yeah. Maine's not the first place that comes to mind when you think startup hub.
Right.
But that's why this is so interesting.
I'm excited.
Smart Money AI didn't just look at the usual suspects. They went deep. They factored in everything.
Yeah.
Business costs, workforce talent, economic growth, access to funding,
So it's comprehensive?
and overall startup success rates.
Okay, so hold on a sec. Did I hear that right? No state income tax in Washington and Texas.
That's right.
Someone tell my accountant to pack their bags.
That's huge.
We might be moving.
Yeah, big selling point for sure.
Okay, but seriously, let's break this down and figure out why these states are topping the charts.
Let's do it.
So Washington first.
Okay.
Tech giants, innovation, no state income tax. That's a major win for entrepreneurs.
Definitely.
But I'm guessing there are some trade-offs.
Always trade-offs.
Right.
Exactly. Yeah. Washington's lack of income tax is appealing.
Yeah.
But you've got to look at the whole picture. They make up for it with higher sales and property taxes.
Okay.
And also, you can't forget about the competition you're going to face in a hub like Seattle.
Oh, yeah. Intense.
Yeah. So you got to be ready for that.
Not for the faint of heart.
Yeah.
You're trading one set of costs for another.
Basically. Pretty much.
It's like choose your fighter.
Yep.
Okay, what about Texas? It's always been a hot spot for business.
Absolutely. Texas has a lot going for it. Low cost of living, booming population, and tons of diverse industries.
Yeah?
Tech, energy, manufacturing, healthcare.
Yeah, got it all.
It's not just a one-trick pony.
Right.
But here's the thing. That rapid growth,
Yeah.
it also means increased competition for resources and talent.
Okay, so it's booming. But you really need to make sure that your specific industry aligns with Texas's strengths.
Exactly.
It's not just about finding a place with a good business climate.
Oh, yeah.
It's about finding the right fit for your venture.
100%.
So you got to be strategic.
Yeah.
Okay, now for the curveball Maine,
Yeah.
what's the story there?
This one surprised me too.
Yeah.
What stands out is their commitment to supporting small businesses.
Okay.
Grants loans a whole network of resources.
So they're really going all out.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
like they're rolling out the red carpet for entrepreneurs.
I
Plus, the lower competition compared to states like Washington or Texas
Yeah.
could be a major advantage for those who are looking for a less cutthroat environment.
I can see that.
Yeah.
Wouldn't the smaller market size in Maine limit the potential for growth, though?
That's a great question. You got to think about businesses that cater to a more niche market. Perhaps leverage Maine's natural resources
Oh,
or
wow.
unique cultural appeal.
I like it.
Think sustainable seafood,
Oh, yeah.
ecotourism, artisan crafts.
Very Maine.
Yeah, those are sectors where Maine could really shine.
Lobster-themed tech startup, anyone.
There you go.
Okay, on to Nevada. No state income tax, no corporate tax, no franchise tax.
It does sound pretty good.
It almost sounds too good to be true.
Yeah, Nevada's tax structure is definitely a major draw.
Yeah.
But here's the reality check.
Okay.
The cost of living, especially in booming cities like Vegas and Reno,
Yeah.
can be really high.
So you're saving on taxes,
Right.
but you're spending more on everything else.
Housing, utilities, everyday expenses.
Got to factor that in.
It's a trade-off.
Yeah, it's not exactly a tax-free paradise.
Not quite.
More nuanced.
Yeah.
Okay. Last but not least, Oregon.
Oregon.
Specifically Portland.
Right. Portland's become a haven for startups,
Interesting.
especially in tech sustainability and creative industries.
Okay.
There's a real sense of community and collaboration there.
I love that.
And the state is committed to fostering innovation.
Nice.
Plus, the growing market in the Pacific Northwest adds to its appeal.
Yeah, that whole region is booming.
It is.
Okay, so it seems like each of these states offers a unique value proposition.
They do.
How do you weigh all these factors? Is it purely about the bottom line, or are lifestyle considerations equally important?
That's the million-dollar question.
I know, it's tough.
It really depends on your individual priorities
Yeah.
and the needs of your venture.
So true.
There's no one-size-fits-all answer.
All right, let's recap. We've got Washington and Texas, the powerhouses, with some trade-off to consider.
Right.
Maine, the surprising underdog,
Love me.
with its focus on small businesses and a less competitive landscape.
Yeah.
Nevada, the low-tax haven, where the cost of living might catch you off guard.
Mm-hmm.
And Oregon, the hub for innovation and sustainability, especially in Portland.
Exactly.
So Smart Money AI's rankings give us a great starting point.
They do.
But the real takeaway is this.
What is it?
Do your research, weigh your priorities, and choose the state that best aligns with your vision and goals.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
But here's a final thought for you to ponder.
Okay. I'm listening.
What kind of business would you start if location didn't matter?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Dream big and let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
We're always up for hearing about your entrepreneurial aspirations.
Absolutely.
All right, that's it for this deep dive.
Thanks for listening, everybody.
Catch you next time.
See ya.